Hello friends and welcome to this fresh new episode from Tech for Everyone. Actually, due to the coronavirus lockdown, the online applications for cloud like Zoom is one example. Now, these type of applications like Zoom is on a rise, and in India, it has become the most trending app. It has crossed the limits of TikTok, Facebook, and almost all the applications. So the government of India has also issued an advisory that Zoom app is not good. It's not good for privacy. So don't use the Zoom app. The news has also come that almost 5 lakh accounts have been hacked on Zoom app and are available for sale on dark web. So Zoom app is selling your data. So and when Zoom app was asked about privacy, it said that we have end-to-end encryption. We found that the text messages that you send on Zoom app are end-to-end encrypted, no problem. But the video that you use, that's why you use it for online classes or for meetings. Basically, that why you use it, because of the lockdown. Now that is not end-to-end encrypted, and what it means is the video that you are telling to the person actually goes to Zoom can keep a recording of it and then send it to the other person. This means that Zoom is actually collecting your data and it's not end-to-end encrypted. So if you share any detail on the Zoom app, you may get hacked. Your email may get hacked. Now, getting your email hacked means you're getting your phone number hacked, and if your phone number gets hacked and if someone gets your personal information, you can be in great trouble. If you are sharing anything very private or very important related to bank details or any other thing, don't use Zoom app. Even I recommend business people not using Zoom app because it can cause a lot of harm to you guys. I hope that you are very clear. Now I tell everybody, please don't use Zoom app. You can use other apps also. Skype is a very good alternative. The second alternative is Google Meeting, and you also have Microsoft Teams is also there. So there are many such apps, money. And again, Google also offers Google Duo. You can connect 12 people. Google Duo, basically Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Google Hangout Meets. These are the apps. Even Google Hangout can be used. Or other than, if you don't find anything else, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is what I can say. Okay, so use all these services. Please do not use Zoom. Download Arogya Setu app.